Welcome back to Revolut Wealth Manager. I've completed an analysis of all large cap US stocks that are due to go ex-dividend from tomorrow the 15th of September to Friday the 18th September, a much quieter week than last week. If we just go through day by day, so tomorrow, 15th of September, there's two companies that I've highlighted with a dividend yield of 3% to 8%. So we've got Cincinnati Financial and Analyse Management. If we just go through the information, so Cincinnati is paying a dividend of $60 with a yield of 3%. Goes ex-dividend tomorrow with a payment date of the 15th of October. Current price $76.92. Market beat has a consensus target of 76.71, which is a slight reduction. There's a hold rating, strong sell rating on investing.com. Very interestingly, 21 years of consecutive dividend growth of on average 5.27%. Earnings paid out as dividend 57.14 and a P ratio of 22.96. Personally, I'm going to say no to this. I mean, it looks pretty strong in terms of reliability, consecutive growth, but I'm gonna say no to that stock on the basis of the finance sector. I'm just being a little bit cautious. Same with Analyse Management. Dividend payment of 40 cents, dividend yield of 4%. Payable on the 30th of September. Market beat price forecast gives 7% upside, and there's a buy rating, so it looks quite interesting. But I'm a little bit concerned about the P ratio at around 80 and the quick ratio of 0.16. I'm not convinced on the strength of the balance sheet. I'm just checking Revolut to see if it's actually available on Revolut. It's not actually available on Revolut either. Apologies for that. But overall, I'm going to swerve both those opportunities. If we move on to Wednesday the 16th, there's only one company that qualifies in terms of the dividend yield. As I've explained, I set a target of 3 to 8%. American International Group is going to pay a dividend of $32 on the 30th of September. Very interestingly, there's a large potential upside on price according to analysis consensus on market beat. 49% upside, which looks interesting. There's a buy rating, strong sell rating on investing.com. Again, I'm going to give this stock a swerve. I'm just not keen to invest in that stock either. If we move to Thursday the 17th, two companies make the grade in terms of dividend yield. So Canadian Natural Resources, 32 cents, dividend yield of 6.4%, payable on the 5th of October. According to market beat analyst consensus, there's some good upside on price. Investing.com has strong sell, only 1 year consecutive growth, 6.5% dividend increase on average. Again, I'm just not keen in terms of the financial strength of the company. This stock I am a little interested in. Ticker code QSR, Restaurant Brands International. Going to pay a dividend of $52, yield of 3.9%, payable on the 2nd of October. Some good upside on the price according to market beat. It's a buy rating, strong sell on investing.com. 5 years consecutive growth, very healthy growth, and I quite like the look of the fundamentals. So I am interested in this stock. I'm going to watch it this week. I'm considering a buy. I'm I'm just a little bit concerned about the space that it's operating in and the potential impacts of COVID-19 could impact financial performance and cash flow over the coming months. But this is the one stock that I am interested in. If you just quickly look at the 18th, two companies make the grade. DT Energy going to pay $1.01, yield of 3.9, payable on the 15th of October, 7% upside on price, buy rating on marketbeat.com, neutral investing.com, 1 year dividend growth, 18% growth. No, I'm not keen. Not keen to invest. I do just need to check whether it's on Revolut. Apologies, I should have done this. In my keenness to analyse the company, again, it's not on. And this is one of the issues. So Omnicom Group is available on Revolut. It's a business services company. They're going to be paying a dividend of 65 cents, a yield of 4.8%, payable on the 12th of October. Good upside on price according to MarketBeat and analyst consensus. Hold rating, strong sell on investing.com. 1 year consecutive growth, 6.5%. Again, I'm going to say no to that stock. So much quieter week in terms of the large cap companies worth over 10 billion in terms of market capitalisation. I have had a quick look at the mid caps. Again, I'm not interested in any of these Western Union, Huntington Bank shares. I may consider changing my mind on Huntington Bank shares. I'm going to take a closer look, but that's all for now. I hope that's been useful, and stay tuned for more. If you've got any questions, please leave them down below in the comments. Thanks.